So OnePlus has always maintained the performance aesthetic for their smartphones. The company keeps on evolving with every launch, and now they are preparing for the next iteration that's kind of creating buzz around the globe. We do know that the OnePlus 7 is like a subtle move, as it just have those upgrades that make it different from the 6T. But today we have some screen grabs from Neha Bhasin's music video showcasing the so-called OnePlus 7, which is not real in any possible way. Firstly, it sports a full screen design, and then we have a dual camera setup at the back of this phone. The 7 Pro is the one with a full screen view and those beautiful curves. Also, it has a triple camera setup on the back. The phone in this video doesn't look like the 7 Pro in every manner, so now we are left with the OnePlus 7, which again has a notched display design and a dual camera setup just like the 6T, but this time the camera bump accommodates those two sensors and the LED flash. If you look close enough, nothing in this video is strong enough to make a solid point for any particular OnePlus device. That being said, this is the OnePlus 6T with some sort of editing on its front, or maybe it's one of those prototypes that helped OnePlus to create a marketing scene. If you really want to see a real OnePlus 7 Pro, then we have this picture that managed to reveal the triple camera system of the 7 Pro. It comes straight from the table of Pete Law, so you can actually believe that. OnePlus has been boasting about the display that they're gonna put on the 7 Pro for some days now. I've covered all the important details in my previous video, so do check that out. Right now, it's about the OnePlus 7 Pro and DisplayMate. For those who don't know, DisplayMate is an industry standard for testing and comparing all types of display. Basically, they measure display quality in different adjustments or factors. Then they have some categories, subcategories, and finally, it ends with a grade. Now, this particular website has completed in-depth lab test of the OnePlus 7 Pro OLED display, and based on that, they have given highest A+ rating to it. The display shootout will be published on May 14th, and I'm curious to know more about it, as the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus stands in the same zone, and if OnePlus managed to put a similar display on their upcoming flagship, then it would be great, because we know the price gap between these two smartphones. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.